Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500. If you need to find the relay, guys, for the headlight, stay with us, we'll explain where it's located. Also, we're going to share a link to a special video that will teach you how to test the relay if you need to, guys, so we can find out if it's good or bad. So let's explain where that relay is located now. So before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. I'm going to go ahead and open the hood. You actually, guys, have two different fuse boxes on your Fiat 500. One is under the hood, one is inside the vehicle. This is Abarth, but even if you have non-Abarth, the procedure is about the same. If you want to see where all the fuses and relays are located on Fiat 500, we have the video on the channel. It's called "Where are the fuses and relays on Fiat 500?" So what do we need to do, guys? We need to remove that bolt. That's where the fuse box is located, next to the car battery. We go ahead, pull it straight up, okay, like that. Now, good news, guys, okay, if you look at the fuse box right here, okay, that fuse box, you have the fuse numbers and relays printed on the back. Bad news, they're not in order, and actually they don't tell you what they're for. So you need to kind of like find out that on your own. Now the relay, guys, that we will need to check for the headlights is known as relay T02. And if you need to buy relays for a good price and quick shipping, we will put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, so please check it out. Relay T02 is right here. So if you look at that relay on the very bottom on the left side, that's your headlight relay right there, for any of you that need to replace it. If you want to test it or buy some, check out the links in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.